In this video I'm going to show you how to do a cross stitch using double crochet. So usually in the cross stitching what we need to do is that we need to apply a cross. So it's gonna actually go like that. So depending if you go like this or that, doesn't matter, depending on how easy, you know, it depends on what you want to do and how you want to tackle it. So as long as you're consistent, it's pretty cool. So we're gonna start off with our first one, and sometimes you just chain two. So I'm just gonna show you this sometimes one, and then you come and double crochet into the next one. So I chain two to begin the row or round. You can do that either way, and you double crochet. Then the one that I just chained two out of, I'm gonna come back to, but from the accessing is from the back side. So wrap the hook first and just bend it forward and get that stitch. Okay, that was the starting stitch, and then I just gonna double crochet as normal. So that chain two that I started with was a builder. It wasn't even involved in the pattern at all. So it's just a way of making it look consistent. So to continue then the cross stitch is that you skip the next one and you go to the second one over and you double crochet, and then what you want to do is that you want to go back to the other one that you just skipped. So just bend it forward and get and double crochet around that one. I love the cross stitch. It looks really awesome when it's done. And so just skip the next one, double crochet in the one after that, and then come back and do the one that you skipped. It's really quite easy once you get the hang of this. I've been doing this for years and it really comes quite easy for me. So this would be how you do the cross stitch using double crochet.